This is one of our favorite fish recipe. We are using simple ingredients and simple cooking techniques, but the taste is absolutely delicious. Cut 1 slice of ginger into fine strips. Chop 4 cloves of garlic. For best results, it is important that the garlic is chopped until super fine. This is a Japanese sea bass. Score the fish with 3 diagonal cuts on both sides of the fish. This will allow the fish to cook faster. Pour about 2 tablespoons of wine over the fish and spread all over, including the cavity. Here's another tip. We have to clean the cavity really well. Look at the cavity. Spread the garlic on top of the fish. Add a teaspoon of soy sauce. Put the sliced ginger and chilli, which is optional, on top of the fish. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and we are ready to steam. The fish is cooked after 8 minutes. Cover and let it sit in the cooker for another minute. Remove after 1 minute. You can tell the fish is cooked when the eyes have popped out. Transfer the fish to a serving plate. Mix the sauce and this is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe and share the video with your family and friends.